Hey everybody, I'm here at Camp Fairhaven in Brooks, Maine, and a buddy of mine let me borrow his GoPro video camera. This thing is so cool, you can do all kinds of crazy things with it. And I thought, when I'm not teaching the Bible and I have a little bit of time off, I'll have some fun with it. So I did. So here you go, here's some fun. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna go down. Do you think I should have the GoPro facing forward or facing towards me so I can see my terrified face?
I think your face would be funnier.
All right, I'll do that. I'll have to turn it around. I can do that though.
Or you could go down twice and do both.
Oh! No. Alright, this is me saying bye to my life.
Are you ready?
Yeah? Okay. Whoa! Holy crap, it's fast. That was great. Oh, gross down here. Ow! This is great. I lost Owen. We lost Owen. I didn't do it. He fell off on his own. Mister, I don't need to hold on. That was awesome. All right, Mr. Teenager.
Huh?
All right, Mr. Teenager. I don't need to hold on.
It's the fun part. Falling off is the best part.
Is it?
Yeah.
Funny, I wouldn't think so, but you say so. Round two, let's go. Is this the one where I fall off?
It's honestly pretty hard to fall off when you're holding the handles.
Yeah, well. Woo! Oh, man. Here we go. Oh, there's a rainbow. That's nice. I like it. Woo! Tell my wife I loved her. Tell my kids I'm sorry I won't be at their wedding. That was great. There we go. Whoa! Bumpy. Whoa, holy crap. That's awesome. Woo! And I didn't die. Is this where we jump off?
No. If you want to, you can jump off now, but. No hands! He's like, I don't need any hands. I wanted to fall.
Awesome, I loved it. I loved it. It was a lot of fun. How do I get on this? Ah, that's good to know. Thank you. Goodbye, children of Fairhaven. Fare thee well. I tube now. I tube now. I'm a tuber. I tube.
I went 8.
8 times?
Yep. No.
You know what was fun? Did you see it?
I went 8.
Because Owen's like, I don't need to hold on, it's fine.
And then he holds
He
on.
went flying off. And we had to go get him. That's cool. How was he? Was he a good boy?
Yeah. He just like sat in the water. Right now.
Hey, bud.